We've heard this all the time. Be a little more careful. Be a little more beautiful. Be a little more calm. A little more steady. More consistent. Faster, thinner, taller, bigger. More sexy. Braver. I have to be braver? More smart. Intelligent. Bright. More of a forward thinker. Laugh more. More flexible. More graceful. More sentimental. More delicate. More pure. More girly. More exquisite. Stronger. More powerful. More slight. More modest. More clever. More of a dreamer. More energetic. More work. More mentor. More of a fighter. More of a generator. More friendly. More than I am. Mother. Girl. Woman. Me. You. Us. Go beyond the line. Beyond the line that we are.